If you were a boy, then there will understand. You need to stop listening to your friends. Love, respect, and trust your man. Oh, but you're not a boy, so you don't have a clue how I work with benefits. You're everything I do is for you, baby. Kung lalaki ka lang, ari yung maintindihan kung ano aming nararamdaman. Kung sana naging lalaki ka lang, no. But you're not a boy, so you can't understand. You are not a perfect woman, and I am not a perfect man, baby. Oh, kahit anong gawin ko, di